Welcome to the MLTI Slam Show. I'm Jared and today is Thursday, November 18th. Please mute your mic and if you have questions, enter them in the chat so Aiden or Seth, our moderators, can respond during the show. And remember, your account is connected to everything, so everything you type will be recorded in this video. So remember to be kind and have fun. So anyway, today we have Kyle Getchell from Nokomis Regional High with us, who's going to teach us about Photopea.com. It's a browser-based online image editor like Photoshop, but free. And you can use it to create, filter, and edit images. So of course, to follow along with today's activity, please visit Photopea.com. So let's go ahead and check in with Kyle. What do you have to share with us today, Kyle?
So what you want to do is make your way to Photopea.com. What Photopea is an online image editor, just like Photoshop, but that's why you'll notice there's ads on the right-hand side of the screen because it's online and free. But while you're making your way to Photopea.com, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So what I'm going to be teaching you is something called a black and white picture with one color. So what you'll notice is that the taxis in this picture are yellow, but the picture is black and white. So once you make your way to Photopea, you're gonna want to click New Project, go over to Screen, and right down at the bottom right or middle right, it should be say Full HD. You click that, and then click where it says Background. It should say white at the beginning, but you want to go down and click Transparent, and then name the project whatever you want. So once you've done that, you want to click Create. So this is where stuff gets a little more complicated. Now you want to click File, Open More, take a picture, and where it says Place Into, it says New Project. We're going to click that and click Current Project. And then take a picture of something colorful, or if you can't take a picture, something online will do. And then once you take your picture, click the X. See, now on my computer, it does this weird thing where the picture doesn't cover it all. So if this happens to you, at the top right of your toolbar, it should have like a little dotted line square looking thing. You click on that, and then you outline your picture with that thing it gives you. And then after that, you want to click Image and click Crop. And then that should just crop so it only shows your picture. Now, you're going to want to make sure you're on the top layer, which should say Layer 1. The way you know you're clicked on it is it'll be like highlighted in the back. So make sure you clicked on it and then go over to go to Layer and then click Duplicate Layer. So now you should have layer copy number 1 and and you should have layer 1 copy and layer 1. So now what you're going to do is click Image, Adjustments, and then all the way down at the bottom it should say Desaturate. You click Desaturate, that should turn your picture black and white. So I'm going to give you guys a minute to do that. So once you desaturate your picture, towards the middle of the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an eraser-looking icon. It's right underneath the stamp. So once you click that, and the eraser will be too small, so the top part of this top left-hand side of the screen, you should see like a circle with a number underneath the circle. You click on that, and where it says size, you can adjust your size. So I'm going to go with 50 or somewhere close. Then after that, you color in the colorful item you took a picture of or found on the internet. I'll give you guys a minute to do that. So after you done colored in your picture, you're going to want to go and see where it says save as PSD. That is if you want to work on it later. You click that and it should say save, and you can open it later and work on it. And if you're done, you click export as, and then click PNG, which then that should bring you to a thing where it says save for web, and you just click save, and then you're done. And that's how you do a black and white one color photo on Photopea.
Anyway, thank you for coming on the show and teaching us about Photopea.com. So now we're going to go ahead for this episode to do our extra credit, which is going to be virtualvacations.us. And it's this website where you can virtually travel the world. So we're going to go ahead and check it out with our video from Dawson Townsend.
My name is Dawson Townsend. I'm an Intro to Vid Class 2A. Today we're going to be looking around Virtual Vacation. It's an online tour guide of pretty much any spot in the world. Game modes like City Guesser. It brings you to a random spot in the world and it gives you a bunch of clues and you can walk around, guess where in the world you are. Walking tour. It's pretty much exactly what it sounds. You can just walk around different cities that you select and just tour cities and you don't have to travel there. Driving tour, same thing as walking tour, but you're in a car. And this is just a really cool website. City Guesser is definitely my favorite game mode. You can go in here and just guess where the world you are. I mean, it's sometimes it's hard, but you can change the difficulty. And you also can pick like what country you want or if it's worldwide, but we're gonna go USA. So you can just guess kind of like where you are because of like the scenery and stuff. So this is a city and it has a bunch of shops and stuff. So this is lush. It looks like a little mall area. So it looks like this is a little mall area. So I'm gonna guess maybe California because it has a bunch of shops. I was 500 miles away. Not bad. But yeah, that's the gist of it. You kind of just guess where you are. But yeah, I mean, this is just a really cool website. It allows you to explore the world without actually traveling there.
Okay, Slammers, now finally we're going to go ahead and get ready to click the link in the chat to take the Slam exam. It's going to be one question about today's show. So you're going to have 10 seconds to answer and the winner gets to select a prize. So we have a couple different prizes here, like for example the MLTI Slam Show trophy, which is pretty cool because you can see it from different sides. I think that's pretty cool. We also have this cube with a ball in it, which cannot come out, so I think that's pretty cool as well. Of course, this really cool stretchable bracelet. And finally, we also have the MLTI Infinity Cube, which is really a lot of fun to play with as well. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give you a code for you to type in so everyone has the same amount of time. So hopefully by now you have clicked the link in the chat to go to the Slam exam. And now I'm going to go ahead and give you the code. All right, well, the code is 321. It's that simple. So go ahead and enter that code, answer the question, and then you can possibly get the prize if you win. All right, so the question is, what feature in Photopea.com makes a layer turn black and white? It's either decrypt, desaturate, or defenestrate. So now the 10-second countdown has officially come to an end. So hopefully you submitted your answers, and now we're going to find out who the winner is. Just a few moments. And the winner is Kay from rsu19.net. So anyways, that was our fun presentation here. Thank you everyone for joining the MLTI Slam Show. Thanks again to our presenter Kyle Getchell, our moderator Aiden and Seth, and also our director Alex. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for us, please visit MLTIslam.com. Student Leadership Ambassadors, stay curious. We'll see you next time.
The MLTI Slam Show is a program of the Maine Department of Education. For more information about this and other innovative educational initiatives, please visit www.maine.gov/DOE.